What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars. Hope you're doing well wherever you are in the world, and thanks a million for clicking on the video. Hopefully you like this kind of stuff, just me give my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the car community on YouTube. Yeah guys, hopefully you'll check out my other videos as well and get involved. Do comment below. Even better if you just want to fucking smash the subscribe button, help the channel grow, and also smash the like button so other people can see the video and discover the channel as well. On today's episode we're going to be covering basically CarWow, Stradman and Will Motivation and a few others as well into that. If you want to follow me on Instagram, you can. If you want to hit me up in my DMs with any stories or videos you want me to check out, please do let me know or just give me a follow. And yeah, anything else, guys, do just tag me and stuff, it'd be great. And we do podcasts. I do have a podcast planned, hopefully this weekend, with Will Motivation himself. It should be a fun thing to do. So let's kick off today's video. We got to kick it off with CarWow. Wow, exactly, wow. What an unbelievable video that they made. Basically, the Nevera Rimac, wow, what an absolute beast of an all-electric car. He basically went to Croatia and put it up against the monster that is the Ferrari Sf90. You know, it has a V8 bi-turbo engine in it, and like is an unbelievably quick production car in itself. It even beat the 765 LT in a drag race when he was with Drag Times. But my god, guys, just before I show you a quick clip of the video, just some stats on this car. It's worth $2.4 million. It has power of 1,914 horsepower, torque is 2,360 newton meters, acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour, 1.97 seconds. That is nuts. Top speed of 412 kilometers an hour. That is just, those stats are fucking insane. So here's a quick clip for you guys. This is the second run where Matt actually got a good launch on the F90, and just watch this thing go.
Smash him off the line. That's a better start. What? What again? It's never been so much fun getting so badly beaten.
Yeah guys, there you have it. What do you fucking think? That is insane. Like, you have to admit, like, I know it's not gas, but when it's all electric and you can absolutely do damage like that is fucking insane. I mean, if you're the likes of Triple F and Manny Koshman and stuff like that, you know, you're hardly going to say no to a car like that for 2.4 million. You're going to destroy practically nearly everything on the road. Now, somebody did say it'd be interesting to put up against the Esco and the Nevera, which I'd be very interested in seeing a drag race as well. But let me know what you think in the comments below, guys. I mean, look, it was an extra 900 horsepower, like, and it had all electric, so of course it was going to absolutely hammer the SF90. But when Matt drove the car himself, you just see his facial expression, how much he was forced back into the seat. I'd say a ride in that car is just an experience you'll never forget. Wow, very, very impressive, I must say. I don't know how many are being sold, but I'm sure if you had 2.4 million to spare, this would be up in your top 5 to buy. I just love it, and it's really well, you know, made. I love the shape of it, the styling of it, the doors, everything. It's just, I was looking at it here on its official website. It's gorgeous, actually. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think of it. I was fucking blown away. That's just insane, and wow, fair dues to them. I mean, we got to see more drag races of this car up against cars in this class, but wow, it really demolished this F90, who is no slouch. And they set an unofficial world record of 8.62, I think it was. That's insane. Like, even the SF90 got a 9.8, I think, which was no slouch itself. So it just shows you how insanely quick this car is. Mind blown, guys. Highly recommend check out the video if you haven't already in the description below. Next up, guys, is going to be Stradman. We have to obviously talk about his latest video where he has basically put his Bugatti Veyron up for sale on eBay. Would I be sad if this car left? I wouldn't, because I understand where he's coming from, but I want to hear your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. You have to see, he is right. Across the world, I would nearly even say that fucking car prices are through the roof. Here in Ireland, it's the exact same. It's so expensive. Inflation, it's nuts. Like, he bought that car was for around 875,000. So guys, if he sold it for 1.35, he would make $500,000 profit off it. That is not bad, and you would not sniff to turn that down. I mean, it'd be interesting to see if somebody actually pays it. Let me know in the comments, do you think somebody will buy it for 1.35 million? I'd be interested to see. Again, it wouldn't bother me if he sold it. I mean, he's practically got the project done, and he's making a clean 500,000 profit on it. But and like, as he said, eventually the bubble's going to have to burst. You know, eventually this is going to come crashing down. I mean, even at the moment, me looking for a project car here, like, prices are through the fucking roof. They're like 2.5, nearly 3,000 more than what they should be. It's insane. It's madness. So I don't know, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think of him selling the Bugatti. If he sold it, I would be happy or sad. I mean, I would be a bit sad, but I can see his point at the end of the day. Next up is going to be Summit Life. So Summit Life basically have finally wrapped their car. It has come out, and my God, I was quite surprised that they did this. They wrapped it in like a fluorescent gloss pink, and I love it. I think it's so cool for them stepping outside the box. It's a real shame that some people went to their comments and said they were copying Stradman when they said they had this colour picked out as soon as they bought the car. You know, look, guys, just because Stradman does one colour doesn't mean that everybody else is copying him because he did it. I mean, there's other people out there that have, like, a colour is a colour. There's going to be other hundreds of people out there that are going to have a lot of the same colours. Just because a big YouTuber has it, I feel that it's unfair that they should be criticised saying they're copying Stradman. But I love the colour combination. I absolutely think it's sick. Let me know if it's too wild or pink for you. I like vibrant, bright colours, guys, especially on supercars. That is just me, but I don't know. I think it's lovely. I want to hear your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Next up is going to be Will Motivation, the man himself. Like, wow, what can I say? His latest video was very inspirational about him talking about, you know, getting out, getting the grind done, and how, you know, he is saying about how to put hours in your day. He has ended up buying an Aventador Roadster. I can never pronounce the name of the green. I can never get it, but he did announce that he is putting on a new exhaust system on the car, and it is going to get wrapped. I'm very interested to see what wrap he's got on this car and what exhaust system he has gone as well. The guy is just crushing it. His F12 is unbelievable. Such a great channel. I really do actually like his channel and watching it. Just, you know, obviously he works his ass off to get to where he is. And, you know, I'd love to get, you know, some of his advice where he started from, and hopefully we can talk about all this kind of stuff here on the podcast when we do it this week. But yeah, highly recommend check out the video, guys, and his channel. It's going to be a very interesting wrap and exhaust system when he gets it done. The car is in LA, and I think he's getting shipped back to Ohio and Columbus. I'm not too sure, but I can't wait to see this done, and I will be definitely cover it. So do go check out Will Motivation's channel indeed. And last up on the list is going to be a brand new car channel. It was basically, I was told by my friend Anthony on his channel, he covered this guy. He's going to be the next Sf90 or Supercars of London. This guy is 11 years old, basically Cars of London. He is a car spotter, obviously, in London. But at 11 years old, guys, he has really done, his knowledge is ridiculously insane. And the access of cars he's after getting to is nuts. Like, I think he has nearly 600 subscribers. His biggest video, like, was with Lord Aleem with his Bugatti Chiron, and it got, like, I think it's well over 70,000 views. He went into a dealership that had a Ferrari 250 GTO or GTO 250, sorry, and just going around checking out the Ferraris inside there. Just some epic content at 11 years old, guys. I mean, a great time to start the YouTube channel, and he is going to grow quickly, I think. And as he gets older and learns more about cars and information, he would definitely be, looks like he'll be the next Sf90. I highly recommend go over, check out his channel, give him a sub, Link in the description below. I'm going to probably cover more often going ahead because he looks like he gets some epic cars and some epic content. He did go for a spin in Sports and Touring's V10 GT, one of 333 in the world. Also check out Anne's channel on Sports and Touring where he went for a spin with him and just interviewed him, and it was a great interview. Very for 11 years old, really has his head screwed on and knows about his cars, and it's great to give smaller channels and young car enthusiasts recognition and to mention them out. And as I said in this channel, we do plan to any small car YouTubers give them a shout out, and hopefully it'll help them as well. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you again a million if you've watched the end. Please do smash that fucking subscribe button, it won't smash itself. And all my regular commenters and viewers, please do, if you wouldn't mind, smashing that like button. It really does help the channel. And do a comment below. So until the next episode, guys, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.